Hey guys, what is going on? It is RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now, if you are new to the channel, my name is Nolan. In today's video, I've got one of my Traxxas X-Maxxes out. Now, this is the one running the 4985 1650 kV Hobbywing motor. And I've got that mated to a Hobbywing Max 6 ESC. The gearing on this one is a 21 tooth pinion and a 54 tooth spur gear. Also, since the last time I ran this, I believe I broke 2 shock shafts when I was in Colorado. That's the last time I ran this. Since the last time you saw it, I actually swapped the shocks out. So I have these GPM heavy duty shocks. They're heavy duty piggyback shocks. I've actually had these for probably 5 or 6 years. So don't ask me where I got them. I can't even remember. Not even sure if they're available anymore. But I've had them for so long just sitting around. And the reason you haven't seen me run these is because one of the shocks has got a very fine crack, like a hairline crack in the actual shock shaft, so it leaks oil out of the seal very, very slowly. So one of these shocks probably doesn't have any shock fluid in it. We'll see. Hopefully, at least with how thick of a shock shaft these are, hopefully the shock shafts don't bend or break. Not sure how well these are going to dampen, but today, guys, I am at the ATV track. It's right over there, and we're going to rip the X-Maxx at the ATV track. Usually this means absolute destruction, because very, very rarely do I make it out of a bash session at the ATV track without something breaking, but we're gonna see. So wish me luck. It's only like 15 degrees out, so very cold. Plastic's very brittle in these temperatures, but we'll give her our best shot. I'm gonna be running her on 8S today. I have 2 4S packs. They're 4500 milliamp, I believe 60C discharge rate Yomi power packs. Let me go ahead, throw the body on, and we'll get over there and get started ribbing. Alrighty guys, and here we go. Now I can tell you the body on this thing is in terrible shape. I really need to get a hold of a new body. Most of the back portion of the body is gone. I definitely have that on my checklist of something I need to get. But for the meantime, may as well run this as my basher body. Alrighty, don't want to waste too much of the battery out here, so let's get over the ATV track. Actually landing them, which is pretty impressive. have to hit this right here. I kind of want to come down right here and see if we can launch over this and land down on that side. We might be able to. Tumble! Nailed it! I am surprised I landed that one. Kicker! Oh, I landed on all four. We hit low voltage mode, I think. The good thing is I have some other packs in the van, but they're 3S packs, so we'll only be running on 6S. But we can still have some fun. Yep, she turned off, low voltage mode. Those 4500 did not last super long. But I'll get another set swapped in, and I'll be right back with you guys. Alright guys, I just got some 8,000 milliamp 3 cells put in, so 6S total, which we're down a little bit on power, but should still be a heck of a lot of fun. Also guys, by the way, if you have not hit that thumbs up button yet, please do so. I would greatly appreciate it. I'm freezing my butt off out here. There's quite the breeze, and it is brisk to say the least. My hands are numb. Be the perfect one to launch off of. Oh no! One of the shocks broke! Crap! Spring gone. Let's see. One of the front ones, what happened? We actually broke a shock shaft. Or did it just strip? I can't tell if it stripped or broken there. It might have just come unthreaded. Literally is jammed in the freaking suspension arm. You know what? I think it just came unthreaded. So I might be able to thread that back in, get the all the pieces back together, get all these pieces back together, get that screwed back in, and we might be good to keep on going. Hopefully we didn't damage the threads in there, and I should be able to thread it back in. So I'll be right back with you guys once I get it patched up. Alright guys, so after a long time trying to fix this, I finally got it back together. It partially stripped out the thread, so it was very difficult for me to get that rethreaded back in, that shock shaft. So part of the threads were torn up in the bottom piece, in the eyelet piece. So it took a while for me to get that screwed back in, but I got her patched back up. So I'm going to turn her back on, and we're going to send her some more. shocks are doing surprisingly well. They're actually soaking stuff up pretty darn good. Ooh, tumble. Get her flip back over, and good to keep on going. Nosedived it. I did not have any wheel speed to lift that front end back up. It just nosedived. That's some good air. Oh my gosh! Did it happen to the same one? It came apart again, guys. One of the shocks came apart. That just took like 15 minutes to fix. I wonder if it's the same one or if it's a different one. Unfortunately, guys, it happened again. I think it's the other side, though. I don't think it's the same one. I'm pretty sure it was this one that came apart. Now it's this one, and I don't know if the threads are damaged, but I don't really have time to mess with this a second time. So the good thing is, after all that bashing, I don't think we have any damage. Besides that shock, which I should be able to fix. I did notice there's a huge bend. These are these aluminum steering links I have. There's a huge bend in this one on this side, but this happened before this run. This happened, I think, in Colorado at the mountain bike park. But I don't see any other damage, so I think she's going to be good. I didn't get as much bashing in as I wanted to, but we still got some pretty good jumps in. And if you did enjoy the video, make sure to go ahead and give it that thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, hit that notification bell, and don't worry, because we will be back out here again with either this X-Maxx or one of my other X-Maxxes, and we'll be bashing this park again very soon. So thanks for watching. Until next time, see you later.